Okay, so it really depends on the amount of time each project is going to take. The longer the project, you can class it more as like a permanent. It's more of a like a permanent employee sort of, but then like shorter would be like freelancing.
Yeah, and that definition isn't like that's not necessarily the Oxford Dictionary definition of it, but in my mind, it's just if you look at graphic designers, if you look at copywriters, if you look at various skill sets, the people from those industries that which refer to themselves as freelancers, there'll be exceptions to this, of course, but typically they'll have a few clients and they'll be spending various amounts of time each month with them. And in my mind, that's what I picture as freelancing more so than the contract market. It's neither a good thing nor a bad thing. I would only say within technology, you've kind of got these two avenues you can go down. The contract work will usually be a lot more interesting. You'll be doing far more, I suppose, on the one hand, more complicated work, but on the other hand, just generally more interesting work. You'll probably learn more in the contract example, because let's say they're bringing in a new merchandising system and it's quite complicated to integrate with the website, especially a company like Boohoo. I mean, I don't know how many products they've got, but they've probably got over 20,000 products on the website. They probably refresh 4,000 to 5,000 a month. So anything with that amount of data on top of the number of orders they get, they're probably getting an order every second, if not more. So all of these things make every type of project very complicated. So if you're a contractor in that scenario, you might even be working alongside some permanent people, and you're essentially filling a resource gap that they have. But you're probably going to be working on more, academically interesting things than if you're the example with the 1 to 5 person e-commerce company where they just want to try this banner this week. They want to move that add to cart button up, down, all around. There's a big difference in the complexity of the work, and I would say the interesting nature of the work.